Let's go. Let's go. That's TGL, by the way. And this is DOMH. Let's go. Let's go. Monies. Monies, guys. Monies. Okay. One more. Let's see. 1 second. Oh, dang. I need to go get my speaker. And then we should be good to go. Should be good to go. Do, 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 do. Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Hello, hello. Jay for president. Prince, good morning. Virus, good morning. Good morning, Tesh. Tony, good morning. Stewie. I feel like, is Stewie a bot? I don't know, maybe. Shaftman, good morning. AK, good morning. Jericho, good morning. King, good morning. Shima, good morning. Good morning, everybody. To retire, good morning. Good morning. Bill, good morning. Patricia, A, good morning. CM, good morning. Archer, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Dave, happy Tuesday again. Look at this thing cook. My goodness. Look at it go. There goes new highs of the day. Right? So that's looking really, really good. Yeah. There isn't, there really isn't much that we can be looking at in terms of like technicals, especially now that we're approaching the open. So just make sure you're paying yourself on the way up with this one. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Pre-markets. Actually, I just need to close a position here so I'm not distracted. Okay, perfect. Good morning, Paul. Hello. Glad you swung overnight. Yeah, Jay. Yeah. We'll talk about this more as the day goes on, right? Obviously, they had news, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Shima, monies? Yeah. Yeah. Most people made monies in this one, right? And so when we did the swing class, this is kind of what we talked about, right? So when you swing something, there has to be something that everybody's looking forward to, right? So in this case, again, it's a company that we'll talk about this more. Let me get my speaker really quickly so I can play some music. Ready? Cool. Whoa. What's an expensive meal, Mohammed? You were eating and it went up. Dang, that is an expensive meal. Expensive meal. Are we gonna be thrusting today, guys? Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. Let's go. So again, make sure you are paying yourself on the way up, or at the very least, already. At the very least, make sure your stop loss is moving up. Please, pretty please. Already. Pretty please. Uh, no, yeah, that was an earnings gamble kind of thing, Mark. It wasn't really like yeah. Good morning, Lion. You have a meeting at 9:30? Dang. Why did they put meetings at 9:30? Who does that? Like, hey, you have a meeting at 9:30. Unbelievable. What's TGL doing here? TGL looks like another one, doesn't it? Right? It's finding a bit of support at like 22.50. So if that thing can stay above 22.50, that'd be a good thing. So obviously the number one stock going into the open is DOMH, right? Obviously, right? TGL would be a second one if it can stay above that uptrend, should be okay. CYN ended overnight as a penny stock, nice run. There's a whole bunch of other names that we could be looking at, but meh, right? Why? Because Dan, good morning. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning. And what's in thrust? And what's in thrust? Okay, let's see. La 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 la. Perfect. Perfect. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Ready? And if you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? You're missing out. You're missing out on stuff like this. Missing out. BHAT $1 by next month. I hope so. I hope you make monies. So yeah, if you're not a member, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us in Discord. Ready? Cool. Let's see. What else do we like? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I'm just looking at some of these other names on the watch list that we maybe haven't looked at. Cool. So yeah. Cheddar, good morning. Can you look at that? Yeah, I can. It's on the left hand side here. It's not really doing much though, okay, is it? Right? But this usually, if this thing can find a way to stay above 37 cents, you might get a pop at the open, which is usually what happens, right? So you sell off into the open, but if you can consolidate, and then they pop it at the open. So watch that 37 cents. Alrighty. AIFF. Yeah, I don't mind that one either, Lion, because it's above the view up there. Grim mentioned that they have an open offering. But yeah, it does have support at like 415. So watch 415 for your initial support, and then it's 385 after that at the 200 EMA. If that doesn't hold, if it doesn't hold, alrighty. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, nice and early on, so we can move on. Deal. Alrighty. So yeah, TGL still looks good, right? It's still holding the bottom there, so that's another one to pay attention to, right? So if they can stay above that 2250, that's a good thing. That is a good thing. Let's go, Jeff. Let's go. Well done. Let's go. Jeff is happy today. Let's go. Yeah, so this looks good, right? CGL looks good, but again, DOMH is number one, right? So if you guys are wondering where all of this is coming from, like DOMH, this is why we keep saying like, hey, join Discord, right? Because sometimes we talk about things that are, again, Pablo was on vacation, right? He was enjoying the beach, right? Enjoying the sun, and then he was doing some research, right? And then Pablo said, hey guys, by the way, DOMH is shown in the SEC filings that they have a stake in SpaceX and a private company called whatever else, right? And then, I mean, as soon as you mention SpaceX, it's like, okay, this is a big deal, right? You have to look into this. If you look in Trade Ideas, Pablo posted a whole bunch of other stuff about this company, right? DOMH, right? Again, join us in Discord, right? And then last night, the other company that they were connected to said, hey, we have a big announcement coming tomorrow, right? Tomorrow you will see. Your mind will detonate when you find out what our investors already know. Stay tuned for next week, right? So right? Again, all of this was posted already in Discord, and a lot of you guys were swinging it, right? And then this morning they're like, "Hey, we're doing an offering, right? We're doing a $13.5 million registered offering, private placement, right? Private placements are better than just doing a public offering, right? Because they're going to a specific private investor, blah 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 blah. Some of them are still scammy, right? But then they follow that up with and they declared a special cash dividend. And then I think what the market likes is the fact that now they have Trump Jr. and Eric Jr. On their advisory board, right? So right, again, a lot of you guys were swinging this overnight because of all of that, right? So congratulations, right? Money's doubled. Yeah. So Ahmad says I bought. Good morning, Ahmad. I bought at 420 yesterday. I remember. Yeah, you bought at four. You were asking for $4 yesterday in Discord, right? Sold at 550. I still hold them. I could buy a new house. Let's go. Congratulations. My goodness, look at that, guys. Even Luna is happy. Luna is like, I made 3 times my daily goal, right? Jeff, let's go. Jeff, give me a high five. Jeff made some nice monies on this. Congratulations. Yeah, congratulations. Have more news coming next week. I have no idea, DP. No idea. I think for now, I would just play the technicals and move on, That's it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm finally here in the thank you for the hints. Luna, teamwork. Teamwork. When it works, it's teamwork. When it doesn't work, it's virus's fault. And the weather in Dominican Republic currently is you know what Pablo is doing, Dan? He's sleeping like a goat. Unbelievable. Like a goat. That's gonna be difficult, Ahmad. Just because the market opens in 2 minutes. And we open in 2 minutes, I will let that initial sell-off happen or the breakout happen and then go from there. Exactly, TK. Teamwork makes the dream work. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Share the link. I would really appreciate that. Alrighty, share the link. Um, and all the other fun things, and then let's get to cooking. Ready? Grim bought the entire float, AJ. I'm good, Jericho. How are you? Just know, Varys. Just know. Just know. Anyways, so yeah, that looks good into the open, obviously, right? We open in 50 seconds now. TGL is another one that we want to pay attention to. AIFF, again, they had that open offering, but it is holding 415, so we can keep an eye on that. CYN did really well in pre-market and then sold off and then started bouncing again, so we'll keep an eye. CYN, nice little push overnight, basically to the same resistance, and then it's just sitting there. LIPO, another one from pre-market, but it needs to break above like 490 again, or at the very least stay above $4.30 if it wants to cook again already. And then NEAB, are you still here, AK? Right, like I said earlier, if that thing can stay above 37 cents, it has a chance, right? Has a chance. Has a chance. DOMH is like, you know what, guys? I not done yet. I no done yet. Let me cook, please. What and what's and thrust? Are they gonna halt this thing? Are they gonna halt it up or down? Here we go. 1071 at the highs now. Go. 1090, $11 incoming, guys. Are they gonna halt it up? Oh, again, this is that initial market open candle, so you want to be very careful, right? 1130. Are they gonna halt it up, guys? They have to. Yeah, they just halted it up. They just halted it up. Halt it, guys. Halt it. Halt it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, perfect. So that position is good to go. Nothing to worry about on that one. Perfect. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Let's go. CYN is now moving up too. Okay, sounds good. It is moving up. Yeah, so it is holding the bottom of that uptrend. So that's a really good thing. AIFF actually popped at the open, so 415 and then popped all the way to the top again. Lion, I know you're interested in this one, but there's a double top at 460, so there's resistance. For CYN, your next resistance is right below 2850. Alrighty. So 2850 is your next resistance for CYN. And then CGL, that thing really needs to find a way to consolidate and curl back above. So it needs to stay above like 2250, above the 50 EMA. If not, it's going to go back down and test 20 cents. So that's TGL, right? If you're still holding DOMH, type in yes in the chat. If you're still holding DOMH, type in yes in the chat. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. Congratulations, everybody. And what? Made sure I grabbed a pre-market just in case. There you go. Again, make sure this thing doesn't hold down with you in it. Alrighty. So make sure you have a plan, please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Begging. Alrighty. In the meantime, though, we might as well go look for the thrust beats, Because what? And thrust. And thrust. And what? And thrust. Just in time, Grim, for the vibes. Just in time. Just in time. Where are the beats? 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 Alrighty, party people. You know what to do, right? If you've been here for more than a week, you know how we get down when the stocks are pumping. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let the beat drop. Come on. To the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? Come on. Go. 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 It's Tuesday morning, guys. It's the only way to start the day by getting in some exercise, right? If you're new to the channel, if you're feeling shy, you might be in public, right? You might be in public. People are looking at you. What I need from you is to put those hands up in the sky, please. Put those hands up in the sky and give me the fist bumps. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Go. Go. To the left, to the right, to the window, to the wall. When Lambo. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Screw, screw. Go. Get naked. Make mummies. Get naked. Make monies. And what? And thrust. Let the beat drop. Drip. Drop. Drip. And what? And thrust. Come on. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. And what? And thrust. Go. Okay. Let's pretend that never happened, please. Let's move on. The stock is unhalted, and you might be getting a bit of a dip to $10. Let me get a new playlist here. Do, 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 do. Let's pretend that never happened, please. Before we get in trouble from YouTube's, it won't let you move your stop loss. You had to close the entire position. I mean, that might not be a bad thing because it's dipping anyways to $10, right? So regardless of your stop loss might have hit, right? So maybe that's not a bad thing that you close the entire position. Um, yeah, not a bad thing at all. Yeah, I mean, we should expect like a dip at the open anyways. TradingView screwing with your positions. I kind of don't like TradingView, connecting your broker to TradingView sometimes. Especially when stuff like this, when stuff is this volatile, is you might get messed up. So yeah. Anything else moving other than the one we're looking at right now? Not really, right? Yeah, not really. Everything just kind of looks sus. The only thing we like for now is DOMH. Perfect. I like it. What stock are you looking at, Lion? ORMP. One second. Yeah, that dip to 20 cents for a TGL might not be a horrible thing. And if it can stay above 20 cents, that might be a good thing. I wasn't paying attention to this dip to 20 cents for TGL. So if it can find a way to consolidate above that 20 cents, it should be okay. AIFF. Oh yeah. I mean, as long as it stays above that 200 as well, especially at the open line. Again, this is something that we've talked about, right? You don't necessarily have to close that position line depending on your entry price. Again, expect the dip at the open, right? And then when it's consolidating, that's the level you close the position if it goes below, right? So AIFF is looking fine. Um, right? And there goes AIFF retesting the highs of the day. Again, every single morning we open, you know the stock is going to dip, right? When it does dip and then it creates that support, that's the level that you want to watch really closely. If it breaks below that level, then you close the position, right? So like in this case, that's that, $4, 390 ish, right? So, and then you have a lot of resistance still at 460. No, 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 no. But no, 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 no. As long as you're executing your trades on your broker, King, I don't mind. I'm just saying sometimes you can have issues, by doing that. By doing that. So for now, for DOMH, you just want to let that thing sell off, right? People are taking profits at the open, right? Like they always do. Like 9 out of 10 times when we wake up in the morning, people are selling stocks at the open, right? As soon as they break down. So now it needs to consolidate somewhere. It would be nice if it consolidated above the VWAP, right? And then sent it after that. AIFF really wants to go, but there's a lot of resistance up there. 131 to 134, 9 minutes. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Let me pull up I haven't looked at the S&P this morning. Not sure what it's doing. Okay, we're still red for the day though, and then Nvidia is back to green. Nvidia is an absolute monster. Love it. And then what's AMD doing? Is AMD green as well? AMD is down 7 cents. Not a big deal, right? So these stonks all look okay. Anyways, AIFF looks like it wants to break out. Line. So again, like that morning dip is really, really important. Really, really important. Thank you, Shima. Yeah, I saw that one on the flying. Fly is flying. Especially that breakout above 58 cents, Shima. And here goes your dip skis. Typical though, right? Again, you have resistance. It breaks above. It usually comes back down to retest that area anyways. So that shouldn't be a massive, massive surprise. AIFF really wants to break, and there it goes. Right, so breaking the highs of the day here. The highs of the day. There it goes. So again, Lion, right? This is the problem that a lot of people have is like making decisions with like the opening candles. It's really tough, right? It's really, really tough. And we've said this so many times, like the market opens, we clearly know the support at the market open at this price, right? That doesn't make a difference, right? Like when the market opens, there are going to be some games, right? But the level that it actually consolidated at above the 200 was good, right? And then boom skis to new highs of the day. It's still having issues at that, 460, closing above 460. So, but good run up the bottom though. Really good run up the bottom there. The deep seek hype is ending. Yeah, it was only a matter of time though, wasn't it? It was only a matter of time. If they're banning TikTok because for obvious reasons, then they're not about to leave. China AI stock. Um, anyways, for DOMH, like I said, I would like for that thing to stay above the VWAP, right? It really looks like it's trying to consolidate above the VWAP, right? Can you give us a double bottom or just a higher low? That'd be perfect too. That'd be good. Another run. Yeah. So if we can find a way to stay above this VWAP, that'd be a good thing for DOMH. And I don't mind how TGL is consolidating above the above 20 cents there. Do, 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 do. Uh, do, 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 do. Oh, perfect. Okay. Perfect. Do a starter. Okay. Do, 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 do. CYN is breaking out. Studio, are you in the stock? Let me know if you are. Are you in the stock? There you go. Perfect. Is that Grim Monies? That's Grim Monies, isn't it? Grim Monies. Go, 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 TGL. Go, 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 go. Do, 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 do. Go, 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 go. Give us more. Sorry, virus. DOMH tried to bounce, but then failed at the nine EMA. So again, closing above the 9, it seems like a really simple thing, but it's really important, isn't it? And then more slappies, right? The easy money was made, wasn't it? Right, guys? Again, we tell you to join us in Discord for a reason, right? The easy money was made from last night to this morning, right? Now you show up to the market open and you're like, but please, I want to buy this. I want to buy. And then it's like, nope, screw you. You don't get to make monies. Why? Because you didn't join Discord. And then now dipping, right? So the easy money was for everybody that was in Discord. That was the easier monies. So there goes 23 cents. 23 cents for TGL. Let's see if we can break about 23 cents here. 10% scalp and hoping yeah, okay, sounds good. Yeah, I want to see if it breaks about 23 cents here. There's a bit of a downtrend forming at that 23-cent area. Yeah. Sitting there. It's going to break it probably. There we go. It's right there. You can do it. You can break it. You can break it. Uh, Yeah, so there's a little bit of resistance up there. A little bit. BHAT is still like pushing up. Where's Raven? Yeah, JB, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, so let this thing sell off, guys, right? DOMH, like let it, you should have taken profits already, right? Let it sell off, let it consolidate, right? Consolidate, give us a higher low, a double bottom, something, right? And then we can say, okay, you know what? Maybe it's ready to run again, right? For now we're playing with TGL, right? So anybody else get into TGL? Let's see. Give us the view app. The view app is sitting right below 24 cents, isn't it? 24 centis. Anybody holding TGL? There we go. There we go. There we go. Uh, there we go. Perfect. Come on, give us the breakout again. Let's see 25 cents already. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, again, make sure you don't go red on this play, please. Right? Especially like this is the type of stuff we mention every single day, right? Like, we look at this one and we're like obviously there's resistance right there, right? Like obviously, duh, right? Is it gonna break above that level? Obviously, we hope it does, right? Obviously, we hope it does. So, and here's that 25 cents we talked about. So keep going, please. Don't you stop here. Obviously, we hope it breaks about 25 cents, right? But that's your next resistance. So let's see. Yeah, the spread on some of these like candles are a bit impressive. Good morning, Raven. Now that Raven's here, we're gonna break 25 cents because Raven's the penny whisperer. So yeah, again, obviously that level is resistance, right? So just be aware of it. 25 cents is resistance. Then you have to make a decision. Do you sell at resistance? Do you keep your position at resistance? Do you hope for the breakout, right? And then go from there. You can do it. Just try not to go red. That's it, right? Just don't go red, and then I'll be happy. Ready? Yeah, Raven. Yep. Yeah, BHAT is nice. That took a while to to eventually push, but it did really well. So congratulations. Congratulations. While we're waiting for this thing to break 25 cents, because we know it will, right? Right? It has to, right, guys? If only Dan would just call Nancy Pelosi and say, "Hey, Nancy, hey, hey, we need we need a favor. You know that one time you were in with Biden doing, yeah, don't let me break your secrets, please. Just do it. You know, just do it. Just buy the dipskis and let it go, right? Dad, just make the phone call. Anyways, here comes 25 cents again, guys. Right, make sure you're moving that stop loss up. Alrighty. Studio, what's your position in M goal? If you have a question, just let me know where your position is, and I'll take a look. Do, 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 do. Come on, you can do it. There we go. 24.99. That block at 25 is getting reduced, but then it drops and then they add it again. So someone doesn't want it to break. Who's that someone? I don't know. But they're selling a lot at resistance. Again, this is what I mean, right? Dan, um, when we get to resistance, you have to make a decision, right? Every time. It's like, okay, I know obviously this is resistance. Right? Do I sell it or do I just, am I willing to risk am I willing to risk some of this with the hope that we break above resistance, right? While we're waiting for that to break, let me take a look at DOMH. DOMH is still selling off, right? Anything wrong with that? Nope, right? Nope, nope, nope. Let it consolidate, let it curl above the 9 EMA, and then cook from there. Anything wrong with that? Absolutely not, right? Don't try and rush into this thing because you're like, but this was the best stock in pre-market. It has to keep going, right? No, it doesn't. It does not. Ready? It does not. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Permission. Okay. Good. Good. So obviously we're filling at that resistance, guys, for TGL, right? Obviously, what I want to see now is a higher low somewhere, and then go from there. But again, a stock failing at resistance should not be a surprise to anybody, right? Not a surprise. River, good morning. BHAT, TEM, Jericho, TEM. So is Fly has actually done really well with the retest, like perfection, isn't it? Right? So technicals work, guys. Right? This is why we love reading charts. Right? You look at this chart and there's nothing on it that's a surprise, is there? Right? Like zero, like zero, 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 zero. Right? So that's the type of stuff we need to keep working on. Right? Right? Again, a stock breaks resistance. This is resistance, obviously, duh, right? I'm kidding. We break above that resistance. Where do you think it's going to come back for the retest, guys, right? Right back to that level, right? And then look at this. Beautiful. This is technical analysis at its finest, right? So now we need to break above that 72 cents to 75 cents. That's your next resistance up there. Alrighty. That's it. That's it, right? And it doesn't always work like this, right? There are times where you get to that retest and it breaks down. That's why it's really important that when you get to a retest area, you don't just jump in like, oh my goodness, it's retesting. Blaze said every time it gets to the retest, buy the dips. No, that's not how it works, right? Not how it works. Just like you never buy a stock because it's at support, right? You buy a stock because you see buyers coming in at support, right? You sell a stock because you see sellers coming in at resistance. Right, guys? Right. Anyways, let's see if we can finally close above the 9 EMA on DOMH. And if it does, maybe it's ready to push back up. Right? So that's still on watch. TGL, again, guess where it's retesting, guys? That's right. You got it. Yeah, let me take a look. Let's take a look. Some of these are just, kind of sitting flat here, doing absolutely nothing. Let me look at BHAT, and then I'll take a look at LFWD. Mullen just had a pop, guys. If anybody is interested, yeah, BHAT looks really nice. From 5 pennies to 13 pennies isn't bad at all. That's not bad, Uh, and then we have CPI stuff tomorrow, Dan. So today is probably going to be like a super slow day for biggest stonks, right? Damn, Mullen, like sent out like 3 alerts at the same time. Yeah, BHAT does look really nice, 90%. Congratulations on this one. Raven's been spamming this one for a while now, right, in Discord. So every time we talked about penny stocks, Raven was in this one. Alrighty, back to TGL, guys. TGL is giving us exactly what we wanted. That's a retest, right? And now we need to go back up and break 25 cents. 3, 2, and there it is, guys. We broke about 25 cents. Can we stay above it, though? Can we stay above the 25 cents? Is the question. You can do it. US Senate, yeah. Some of these, yeah. See, the only annoying thing is we know we have that supply zone above 25 cents. That's always, that always complicates things, doesn't it? Right? And obviously we haven't closed above 25 cents, so that doesn't really count as a breakout, does it? It doesn't, right? It does not count as a breakout. Damn, BHAT is really cooking, Raven. Sunny, congratulations. Shish. That thing said, hey, look at me, I'm the captain now. I'm the penny stock captain, BHAT. On fire, that thing. That's going to be the next one to go to 50 cents, isn't it? Yeah. BHAT. Like you up $150 is what you're saying? Look at that, guys, right? What have we been saying this whole time? Life above the 9 EMA is what? Somebody help me out. Life above the 9 EMA is what? And life below the 9 EMA is what? Somebody fill in the blanks, please. Life above the 9 EMA. The blue line is what? Right? Look at DOMH above the blue line, right? Look at that thing below the blue line, right? It's like rejection. You shall not pass. You shall not pass. Slap. Every time it goes above, slapped, right? Maybe it's gonna find a way to stay above 860 though, like a double bottom at 860 and then curl back above the 9, but it needs to do that, right? Yep. No, TGL needs to close above that 25 cents. And there, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. So it needs to close these candles above that level. Oh, I see. There's 26 cents, guys. Oof. 26 pennies. 26 pennies. Boomskis. Give us more boomskis, please. And then obviously have that pre-market high, guys, right? 27.50. So yeah, 27.50. Already. There we go, guys. 27 cents. Here we come. That's a pretty nice pop, actually. If you're still holding TGL, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes in the chat if you're still holding TGL. There we go. You're holding hope. Don't hold on to hope, please. Hope is not the answer. FOMO is the only answer, Lion. Kidding. Christo, Ayo, good morning. How are you? Shima, yes. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Can we get more, please? Like in a good way, Dan, or not? No, yeah, your support is down here like 20, so 860-ish. That's your support for DOMH, right? If it can hold above that level, that'd be a really good thing. Alrighty, so DOMH is finding some support finally. Finally finding some support. So yeah, that 27.50. Looks like there's a big block at 27, doesn't it? Yeah. It's gonna break though. Do, 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 do. It's almost doing the same thing it was doing at 25 cents. In 5 seconds? Shush. Shush. Do, 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 do. Yeah, so 27, there's a nice little block there of resistance. Has a catalyst for the 24th as well. Okay. Yeah, that's a good thing. Just make sure you FOMO at the right price, though, if you do FOMO. Alrighty. So DOMH again. That's what that $8.60 is what kind of where your support is at. Uh, Colin. Funny, 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 funny. So here comes again for a retest of that level. Do, 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 do. Okay, so that one's retesting the bottom again. So again, watch for that. Watch for that 860, and then obviously TGL. We want it to break out, right? Here it comes. Dang, that thing keeps pushing to that level and then getting slapped. So it needs to break above that 27.50 there. $27.60. Let's go. 28 cents incoming. Beautiful, beautiful. 28. 28 pennies. Are they gonna halt it, guys? I'm kidding, by the way. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. There we go. 29 cents incoming, guys. 29 cents. Okay, permissions. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Again, if you took this in Discord, type in yes in the chat. If you took this in Discord, type in yes in the chat. And if you're not a member yet, you're missing out big time, right? Missing out big time. Missing out big time. Missing out. So if you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? Stop slacking, right? Come join us in Discord. Let's go, Shima. Right? Come join us in the Discord if you're not a member. So we played with TGL, right? Obviously. And then we made some nice monies on DOMH as well, right? From the 5s and the 4s all the way to $11, right? So if you're not a member, right, you're missing out on the easy monies. So again, if you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Alrighty, come join us. Cool. Anyways, yeah, below 30 cents, there's a lot of resistance there. A lot of resistance. Oh, I see why. Okay. That order was filled perfectly. Perfect. So this is probably a retest of, that 25 level, right? Just like we always do. Just like we always do. Retest something. Retest. AIFF is halted up. Yeah. Very nice. Dang it, Lion. See? Right? This is why that open dip is like the best thing ever, right? Because it gives you the bottom. And as long as it stays above that bottom, you're fine. And so now it's halted up AIFF. That looks good. That looks very, very good. Very, very good. True, 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 true. Look at this, guys. Criminals, right? We came into the market open with DOMH and then we quickly moved to other things, right? That's how it should be, right? If you like something and it doesn't look amazing, like just pivot right away. Go look at something else, right? This is why when we come into the open, we have like, like 3, 4 stocks up, right? Because we know that we don't know, right? The stock that we're all excited about at the open might not be the stock when the market opens, right? So obviously DOMH was the stock we were excited about most today, right? And then as soon as we show up at the open, and then it's like, oh dang, TGL is finding support. It's dipping and it's finding support, right? It's consolidating. It's holding a demand zone. You know what? This might be the one instead. And then it runs, and then you take profits, and then you move on, right? So you just have to be willing to adapt to whatever the market is giving you, right? That's the curse, the top gainer curse, potentially. Potentially. Mm, mm, sixes. Okay, sounds good. Perfect. Momentum, exactly, Shima, right? Just move to where the vibes are at, right? Move to the vibes. That thing said, I'm going to come back and retest the downtrend altogether. So 23 cents then for TGL, right? Hopefully you paid yourself, guys. If you were in this, hopefully you took your monies. Um, okay, perfect. Let's see here. I'm going to make sure that I fix this later, actually. Um, okay, perfect. Ocean is moving OCEA. 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 Let me take a look. OCEA. Yeah, that one. That one's. It fits. I mean, it fits the theme, the penny theme, right? So you have resistance at the exact level we had resistance for TGL, right? That doubled top at 25 cents, right? That's 25 cents all the way across, right? 25 cents. Oof! You see the skill, guys. That takes that it takes to draw a line, to free handily draw a line, a straight line. Oof! Raven calls that art. And then Dan is just the hater, so he's gonna say something silly. Trading below the two, waiting also for T to start trading below the 200. You don't want that. You don't want stocks below the 200 EMA. Yeah, you don't want that. If that thing's below the 200 EMA, not something I'm gonna look at. Alrighty, that 200 EMA should be used as support, and then if you're playing with anything below the 200 EMA, it should really be consolidating at the bottom, like it's hitting a demand zone maybe, and then you can maybe try that. But other than that, you don't want stocks below the 200 EMA. Yeah, do it again. No, Tony. Nope. I'm not gonna do it. You know, when I'm looking for, when Van Gogh painted, his masterpiece, nobody was like, hey, do it again, paint it again. No, right? You only do it once. That's the beauty of it, Ah, rubbish. And there goes your double top at 25 cents for OCEA, man, retesting the chrono. Yeah. No, no, no. So let me take a look though. So let me show you what I mean. Right. Let me show you what I mean. Let me zoom out. So the reason I say that, Jacob, is because so look at the break below the 200 EMA, right? The break below the 200 EMA comes with a lot of violence, like not good violence, right? As soon as your stock is closing below the 200 EMA, you really want to let it sell off and consolidate before you look for another entry, right? Because look at that. It went from that price straight to the abyss, right? Like look from 20 cents, right? From 20 cents to 11 cents, right? 12 cents before it consolidated and then came back, right? So that's what I mean. Like the danger of, buying below the 200 EMA comes with violence. And then, at some point it consolidated, right? Like even if you waited for this thing to cross back above the 200 EMA, then it was way nicer, right? Then it actually ran to 27 cents. So, yeah, so TGL is still holding 23 cents. That's your next support. DOMH is still creating lows, right? So it's going to need to break above the 20 and the chronal at some point if it wants to look good. AIFF is on halted, guys, and it looks okay, right? So not bad at all. Exactly, Jay. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Okay, let's fix that. Okay. Hey, yo, Christy, good morning. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. How's CGL doing? We actually gonna start curling here like a proper stock? Maybe. Yeah. So when you look at DOMH, it's gonna need to break above like the 20 and the chrono before it's ready to push again because it looks way too weak, right? Again, life below the 9 EMA is violence, right? It looked so nice early this morning. So nice, right? So nice and easy to trade. Green, green, green. And as soon as the market opened, everybody was like, yeah, thanks, guys. I'm done here, right? Luna, did you take profits on this? I hope you did. Hope you paid yourself. Did you sell? Hopefully. Uh, just a matter of time, am I right, Raven? AMC to 1 trillion. 1 trillion. Between. Power doesn't need to be in a hurry to lower interest rates further. Yeah. The U.S. economy is strong overall. Inflation is closer to 2% goal, but still somewhat elevated. We do not need to be in a hurry to adjust policy, he says. I mean, you're never in a hurry to do anything. So thanks, Captain Obvious. We knew that already. We knew that already. Okay, now we need something else to cook, guys. If you've had a good morning and you're green and you're happy, type in yes in the chat. If you've had a green morning, type in yes in the chat. OCEA looks like it's going back to retest at 25 cents. Should be banned. The BLK. Yes, go Raven Shima. Line, yes. A, yes. Love it. Yeah. Onions, yeah. Jericho, yes. Sunny, congratulations, guys. Jeff, you should be very, very happy. I agree. I agree. Captain, well done. Give me a high five. Emma, well done. High five. Annette, Jay, congratulations. To retire, high five. And high five. Well done, guys. Well done, everybody. High five. High five. And what did you play with? What did you make your monies in? What did you make your monies in? Rosalia, let's see what you do. Welcome, Rosalia. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome. Let me know if you need help connecting. Same link. DOMH. Well done. High five. Lizzie. Well done. High five. High five. And B8, BHAT, and well done. High five, everybody. High five. Well done. Matt, yeah, we talked about all of that already. And it flew already this morning. So now it needs to consolidate, right? Find brand new support, whether that's $8, $7, doesn't matter, and then cook again, right? Hopefully, anyways, that stock is going to be something that we probably pay attention to for a while, right? Just because, again, like they have that connection, right, to SpaceX, right? They have an IPO stock coming out at some point, right? So the multiple reasons why why we're going to need to pay attention to DOMH as time goes on, right? So yeah, no, BHAT looks really nice, really nice actually, right? So congratulations if you had conviction on that play. There goes a bit of a breakout in OCEA. OCEA breaking the 25. Yeah, there you go. No. Do. Perfect. Fixed. Uh, let's see. 820 is what you're getting into, AJ. Okay, yeah, it's consolidating now again, right? The only problem is it hasn't broken above the chrono yet. So if it can break above that, then you should be okay, AJ. So if it can clear that 11, then yeah, that's fine. AIFF just hit brand new highs of the day, right? That thing is holding the 9 EMA really nicely. Really nicely. That's a nice pop. Is anybody holding AIFF, guys, in the chat? Anybody? Anybody holding AIFF? Perfect. Grim, yes. Monies. Love it. Rosalia, you in the chat yet, or you're still trying to figure it out? Let me know. AJ, just wait. Once we close above the Corona, and then Grim is gonna FOMO into and then the stock is gonna cook after that. So I think the markets are very confused. Very confused. Very confused. Like not big red, not big green, not green at all, right? But not big red. So yeah, Powell is speaking, and then we have CPI numbers tomorrow. So nothing crazy is gonna happen today. Oh, for DOMH, Grim. Yeah, perfect. A ton of gold. Uh, it was gonna be hard for it to get to 10 cents. Yeah, they did it. They did it. But again, it will always be easier for a stock to go from $2 to $4, right? Than it is for a stock to go from 5 cents to 10 cents. Um, it seems really simple, but it's not that simple. Not that simple. And BHAT is perfect because like now it is because again like the run is perfect because then again like this week has been sus, right? And really the main stocks that have had big runs are penny stocks, right? So then people want to pay attention to those penny stocks, right? To the books. Wow, very nice. And again, DOMH is still failing at the chrono there. Failing at the chrono. OCEA is still looking okay. Anybody holding this one? Looks good. Okay. And there it goes. 26 pennies. AIFF. Yep. Yep. Okay, let me that this chart is for AJ. Uh Yeah, so this chart is not ready until it crosses the chrono. Right? Not ready at all. Maybe it's going to bounce off the 200 EMA, but it's definitely not ready. So, and again, guys, this is why we have all these lines on our chart, right? Your goal is to put a whole bunch of information in your chart and then look at it and say, okay, like what's more important here, right? Like what's more important, right? Some days you look at this and you're like, I think the 9 EMA is the best thing, right? No, Grim. Like I said, not until it crosses the chronal and all the 20 EMA, right? So we can look at this and we can find a common theme, right? We can look at this and we can say, yes, it's playing with the 9 EMA, but also like that chrono right there is a pretty big problem, isn't it? Right? And obviously the chrono being red is not a good thing, right? Whenever it's testing the chronal, it doesn't seem to want to cross above. And like right there, it doesn't seem to want to cross above, right? And then slapped, right? So maybe now it's going to bounce off the 200 EMA. Maybe, who knows, right? But until it consolidates and crosses above the chronal, meh, not ready. Not ready. OCEA is slowly creeping up still, slowly creeping up. Yeah, 200. Yeah, the 200 EMA for a DOMH. Yeah, yeah. Well done, Raven. CYN. Monies. Baba is now okay. Cool. There we go. Our laundry is cooking, Tony. Okay, sounds good. And then yeah, I mean AIFF halting down from a supply zone shouldn't be like you know. I think it's unfortunate though that it is halted down because it's doing what it's supposed to do, right? What's that? That's retesting the damn breakout, right? Like they always do. but then that's too big of a drop, so then it had to be halted, right? Especially from a supply zone. Not a big surprise. Let's see if it stays above the 200 EMA line. DOMH. CGL is still just playing with 23 cents, right? The volume's clearly moved over now to OCEA, right? There goes brand new highs on that one. The volume moved. People ran to a different penny stock. Ran to a different penny stock. Okay. 27. LFWD. Mike, as long as you're in it and making monies, that's a win, right? Right, Mike? What's your position in this one? LF. It's not like we don't have a whole bunch of other stocks to look at, WD. Yeah, day high. Yeah, as long as you're making monies. Also, like it's 41%, right? 41%. It does look really good though. Like the chart looks very nice, right? Breakout, retest, above the 9 highs of the day. It looks really nice. Slow and steady, right? Slow and steady. There we go. Rosala, you're delayed, by the way. Whenever you get to this message, you're very delayed. Like you're like 20 minutes delayed. So click on the live button, and it should bring you back to live, or just refresh the stream. You're very delayed. Delayed. 210. You got in at 210. Very nice. Congratulations. Yeah, all the way down there, right? Yeah. It's a very nice entry. Congrats. Congratulations. 1950. Very nice. Yeah, you're nice and green right now. You're going to take some profits, or you're just going to keep it? Let me take a look at Shopify. Yeah, I think like shop like dropped when those earnings came out virus, right? All the way to like right to 106, right? Like it got slapped from 124 to 106. Like that was a pretty nice drop, right? But then it it obviously scam recovered, because like these days the earnings are not bad. Jeff, unbelievable. Are you yeah, again, Rosali, you're so delayed. Let me know when you're live, because you're still responding to comments from like 2 hours ago. It's a good company that actually makes money. I think you're going to hold. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, as long as you've done that research and you're happy with it, that's fine. That is a-okay. Bring 27 already. What are you waiting for? Okay, there we go. Pablo? I know what your weather is already. Dan told me. And everybody say hello to Pablo the goat in the chat, guys. See what happens when Pablo isn't laying on the beach for too long. You see what happens, Jeff? See what happens? We make monies like DOMH, right? Let's go, Pablo. Still a good play. 200 in the daily. Let's take a look. Let's take a look ski. PYPL. Yeah, I really it really depends where we end up closing today. You want it to close above 7-ish, right? It doesn't help that the market's been red and like super sus, right? Like yesterday it looked good, but then the market's red today, so it doesn't look horrible, right? Like if I take away all of these like lines, you can see that it still has support anywhere from like that 76, right? 76 to 77. That's the level you want, right? I wonder if now is the time to sell those, naked puts, or to like take that position, right? So it's not bad at all at this price. At the end of the day, though, it needs to be closing above 77 to 76, and then you should be okay, Jericho, right? Let's go, Pablo. If they could all be as easy to play, for 2 days, exactly, Pablo, exactly. Jay says thank you. I'm just happy I'm beating Pablo in fantasy. Just give up, Pablo. Just give up. Just be ready for next season. Just be ready. Right, Jeff? Rosalia, let me know when you're live. Let me know when you're watching the stream live, please. You're delayed. Let's go. Make a trend. Raven, thank you very much. Make a trend. Yes. Do I still have AMD calls? Yeah. Oh no, I'm not selling AMD calls. I'll be buying more AMD calls. The last thing I'm going to be doing is selling AMD calls. Right? I bought that position with the intention that, okay, like this is it. I'm going to zero, or I'm adding. Right? That's it. There's no two ways about it. What's AMD doing? The market's red today and AMD is green. Eh, Shish. Did we buy the bottom, guys? Yeah, we did. Right? Market red, AMD green. So yeah. My only regret is not buying more AMD calls. So we dip, I buy more AMD calls. That's it. That is it. Oh, na 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 na. Rosalia, are you live? Just type in yes if you are live. If you can hear me live, just type in yes, and I'll send you a link. Yeah, exactly, Raven. Exactly. I wanted to see where exactly where Pablo is, on the Hot Trades League. Dang, Pablo's last place. Oh my goodness, Pablo. What are you doing? Actually, Pablo has 100 points this game week. Nice, Pablo. Too bad. It's not enough, Pablo. Not enough. Do better. It looks like we're holding the 200 EMA for now, though, on DOMH, right? If we can stay above that, then that's a good start. But as you can see, right, nothing's changed, right? We still need to break above the chrono, don't we? Right? Still need to break above. We're failing at one spot. That's the chrono, right? That's the chrono right there. That's the chrono up there. The 20 EMA, Pablo's favorite indicator, right? Same, same, same. Nothing's changed. Yeah. 6. I have 3, 5, Pablo. So yeah, you're gonna get more points this week, it seems, but you're still in last place though. You have a long ways to go. Long, long ways. Is there an entry around the current price for VSTE? Let's take a look. VSTE. uh, Jeff, yes. Is there an entry? This thing looks nasty, doesn't it? This is why, Jacob, as another example for you, this is why we don't like stocks below the 200 EMA, because they usually come with violence, right? This thing broke below the 200 EMA right there, and this was the problem, right? And then it's been crashing the entire time. So entry, I would be looking for closer to 70 cents already, closer to 70 cents, or break of 81. If it breaks 81, it needs to stay above 81. Hopefully already, and then go from there. Already on my he got, oh wow, that's annoying. Yeah, that would have been a nice double for 20, 25, 26, 25, whatever the next one is. Just okay. There's no shot at first place. Not this game week. I'm in second place, right below Peter. Jeff, don't let him lie to you. Like right below, and I have more points than Peter this week. So I'm closer to Peter than Pablo is closer to closer to me. So don't worry, I will catch Peter soon. So again, DOMH just keeps failing at the kernel and the 20. So there's nothing to see there, right? Nothing yet. uh, INAB breakout watch Bullfrog. Let me take a look. BFRG Bullfrog AI. That was a nice breakout actually. Yup, at 380 ish. Yeah, I like it. I like it, Grim. I like it. I like it. I like it. Can you tell? I wonder if she's live though. That's my question, Raven. I don't think she's live. She can see your comments. She can't hear me till like 10 minutes after, or like 20 minutes after. So even if I tell her where to go, she's not gonna hear me for a while. Can you look at CYN entries 21 cents, debating on what to do? Yeah, absolutely. I'll come back to this, Grim. CYN. So you're in at 21 cents, you're debating what to do. You're green in that position, right? So I think your entry is good as long as it stays above 20 cents. So if I was in that same position, I would probably stay in that position as long as it stayed above 20 cents. That is why I wait until it settles down and start, before I enter to buy, la 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 la. Absolutely, Jacob. Yep, absolutely. I agree. I agree. Uh, Why is it doing that? I guess it's resetting and then it kicks me out. Anyways, moving on. Rosalia. Yes. So let me see if she can. Yeah, Rosalia, use that link, please. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Ooh. Ooh. Looks like it finally found something. Yeah, starting to go up. Yeah, I finally crossed for the first time for the entire morning. For the first time, DOMH actually consolidated and then crossed. So let's see if it can stay above it now. Yeah, Rosalia, use that link at the bottom of the chat. Alrighty, your Discord invite is at the bottom of the chat. Use that, and then it's going to take you right to the channel with the instructions. And then you just have to follow. Robinhood just announced that it's now allowing customers in the United Kingdom to trade options on US stocks. Oh, they weren't doing that before. You couldn't trade options from the UK. Oh, there you go, UK people. Yep. Yep. So again, that candle closing above $8.10. That was your candle. Right now it's 8.42. The spread is still a bit sus, but just be careful with it. Please be careful with it. But it finally crossed above. CYN is at 22 cents now. So you're green in that position, right? You're green in your position. Lawn already. You're up 1 penny. So if it can stay above 20 cents, that's good. Futures? Oh, wow. Wow. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Do. Can we get something else cooking? Can something cook, please? Something cook, please. Pablo, are you making transfers? Who are you bringing in the next week? Let me look at your team, actually. You know, I looked already, but so Mikolenko. Yeah, Rogers is nice for the double. Pablo copied my trace, stole my transfer. It's a good team. Get some snacks. Get snacks, please. Until 29, Pablo? Damn. My goodness. Okay. Still have Holland. My goodness. You do have a good team for like not having, for having Salah and Palmer and Holland. It's a very good team. Surprised you've been struggling as much as you have. AMC is up 7%. Yeah, it's going to 1 trillion. 1 trillion. AIFF still looks good, doesn't it, Grim? Still looks good. Where are the markets? Yeah, the markets are trying to come back to life, huh? There goes AIFF, guys. 540, 550 incoming. There it goes, 570, guys. Oof, that was beautiful, actually. It was a beautiful retest. Cross above the 9. Luna, right? Plan A, perfection. Perfection, Luna. Right? Perfection. Monies. Grim, Monies. Yeah, it's halted up at $5.70. Brand new highs of the day. Alrighty. But again, look at this chart, guys, and tell me this isn't perfection, right? Look at that. Right? Beautiful, isn't it? That's a perfect chart. Right? You have your resistance, you have your breakout, right? You have your retest of the breakout, you have the curl back above everything, the 9 and the kernel, right? And then boom skis, right? Perfection. Will be enough, but trillion would do as well. Yeah, no, I say a trillion because that's what Raven always jokes about, like AMC going to a trillion. Do I feel like it's too late for OCEA? Not if it stays about 23 cents. Ready? If it can stay above that VWAP there and the 200 EMA, I think it should be okay. TGL, yeah, the volume moved on, right? We moved on. Everybody else moved on. Blah blah blah. CYN is held. Ooh, look at that, right? So who was asking for CYN again? 21 cents. That was Lon. You still in your position? Well, you should feel better now, right? You do have resistance right where it's at now, though. So you might have to make a decision. But yeah. So again, when you're asking about, like, hey, do I sell this position now? I'm not going to be the one to tell you to sell your position, right? Especially if it's already sitting in a demand zone, right? If you notice that it bounced up this level early in pre-market and it's sitting at that same spot, Yeah, you're better off like just taking a bit more of a loss and letting it break below than just closing the position at the bottom. A lot of people do that. They're like, I sell the stock and it goes up. What happens? Well, it doesn't help if you're selling at support, right? Buy high, sell low. When spy green. When spy green, Dan. When spy green. Show us the monies. Yeah. Everything is kind of turning green. Kind of turning green, which is good. Give us more pumpies. Green to red to green spy. Red to green. How's AMD looking with all of this thrusting now? And NVIDIA as well. AMD looks good. How about NVIDIA? Yeah, NVIDIA has issues at 134, 135, so it's going to need to break above that. It's going to need to break. And DOMH has obviously found some support above the 200, but it still needs the volume, it seems. It's missing the volume, and then AIFF is still halted up. Bench boost free hit for upcoming double game week. Rubbish. You're gonna need a lot of points. A lot of points, Pablo. A lot of points. Powell says, Powell is spamming stuff. He says we're not in a recession. We're not in a recession, and he would not trade places with the economies of countries like Germany, China, or France. I mean, obviously. Thanks, Captain Obvious. Thanks, Captain Obvious. What did he say now? Grim, get some snacks. Get snacks. And there it is. There is DOMH, right, guys? Again, what happened, guys? What changed? What changed? Why is it going up, guys? What happened? What happened, guys? Yeah. Right? All we had to do was cross, right? The kernel and the 20 EMA. I knew it, Grim. Exactly. Thank you, Andrew, right? Again, this is why I keep saying like we have all of these moving averages and everything else on the chart, not for decoration, right? And you don't always use all of them at the same time, right? But sometimes what technical analysis is you zooming out and saying, hey, like I'm noticing that every time this stock goes up, it's failing at the kernel. Like, why is that? Why is it failing at the kernel? Why is it doing it again? Why is it doing it again? Why is it doing it again? And then right there it crossed, right? Oh, it finally crossed. Okay, let me get in. Let me get in. Let me get in. And then boom skis, it's actually moving, right? So you can scalp something at least, right? And it doesn't always work like that. Some days it's going to be the 50, some days it's going to be the VWAP, some days it's going to be the 9, right? So it changes. You just leave all of them there so you can maybe notice something. AIFF is unhalted and cooking still. So $6.20 there, Grim. Sheesh. Sunny, are you in this one? Are you in AIFF? Are you in the AIFF? You sold that thing though, right, Grim? You sold it? Perfect. Just get in. Na, 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 na. Do. Anyways, perfect. Out? Okay. It looks better. Yep. Hopefully stays above it. I bought a position during the meeting, and someone asked me a question. By the time I was done answering the question, you stop loss hit. Never doing this again. Oh, like in a meeting. What did you get into, AK? What did you buy? What did you buy? What did you do? Total trash, TGL. TGL is not trash. We made money in TGL, right? We made money in TGL, so it's not trash. Everything is trash if you don't make monies in it, right? We played with it from the 21 cents, right? And it was posted in Discord, right? Grunt, come join us in Discord. You mean now? Okay, yeah, we made monies from 21 cents to 28 cents. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah. Pretty nice. Oh, in your meeting, yeah, no, we kept saying like it's not ready yet, AK, right? It wasn't ready at $8. It wasn't ready anywhere, right? Until it closed above the kernel, it wasn't ready. So yeah, you buying at 1020. Oh yeah, it definitely wasn't ready, right? Because if you were looking in Discord though, I was posting the charts because AJ was looking for an entry as well. So that thing was definitely not ready at 1020, and it just got rejected. Right? It needs to break above. AMD is not AMD. NVDA is looking really good there. Is Powell really pumping the markets like that? Dang. Yeah, we went from red to green. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like it. Keep going, SPY. Give us 1% today. That's not going to happen, but not going to happen. It looks like when I see old videos, Rosalia, when you click on the link, I'm just gonna send you the video. The video tells you, like the video shows you instructions on how to connect. That's what it's there for, right? The video is there, so you could also just scroll in that channel and it's gonna show you the instructions. At Rosalia. There you go. Go watch that video, Rosalia. That's gonna show you how to connect. Let's go, Jacob. Absolutely. Yeah, so AIFF just came back for the retest, right? Came back for the retest. There it is. Breakout. Look at this, guys, right? Are you guys learning the technicals yet? Right? We have resistance right there. It breaks above resistance right there. It comes back for the retest, right? Like they always do. And then pop, 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 right? So Zoro posted that in Discord, which was perfect. Perfect. And there it goes, 644. There it goes. Is it halted up again? Nope, it's not. It looked like it was halted. But it is not. So 650 is your next resistance there. Ah, 20 cents. 20 cents. 20 centis. Thanks. Is SPY about to test the redness again, Dan? Looks like it, huh? 650. There it goes, AIFF. No, 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 no. Well done, Zoro. What's your stream name, Zoro? What's your stream name? There you go, 660. Cooking. That thing said, hey guys, bye guys. My name's AIFF. And I'm just gonna cook. From no, 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 no. Oh, that's what that was. 680. 680. And it is halted up, guys. Halted. That one left you behind. Yeah, it was a good retest of the breakout, and then a second breakout. It moved really quickly. $680 AIFF. Love it. 120%. Other than that, nothing has the vibes for now. DOMH is still just playing games, right? Still just sitting there. SPY's back to break even on the day, but that's not a big issue. Not a big issue. Why are those red? I need water. When you have the hiccups, like, is that really a sign of dehydration? I feel like it is, because drinking water always works, you know? It is not. Get some snacks. Well, someone lied to me, Grim. Someone lied to me. Let me take a look at nerve. 18 months. Hold your breath for 10 seconds to get rid of it. Seems like it's gone now, though. 19, Jacob? Okay. Dang, this chart is so slow. Come on. Come on. There we go. Was there a split in between, or is the chart just not loading? I feel like something else happened. La, 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 la. No volume. No volume. What is the blue dot on the algo? Blue dot, blue dot, blue dot. Which blue dot? You mean like these blue dots? No, so that's not on the algo. That's a TradingView like plotting system. It's I don't know how to explain it, but Um, I don't know. It's not really important though. Not important at all. Alrighty. So just ignore it. What happens is if you click on the candles, the dots show up. If you click on an empty space, the dots go away. So it's not important. Uh, yeah. Mm, on hold the damn stock already. DOMH again, still just holding that uptrend, 850, right? So that 200 is okay. There goes the on hold. On hold. On halties. Yeah. Do. Yeah. So now obviously it's going to need to break above 680 if it wants to go again. $6.80. No. Okay. G-Wave just had the news. G-Waves. So G-Wave says Green Technology Solutions preparing for massive demand influx amid 25% tariff and steel. Okay, so their tariff news is what they're referring to. I mean, meh. That seems sus though, doesn't it? Because we already know these tariffs are probably not going to hold. So then you're out here dropping tariff news. Anyways, moving on. AIFF just broke out again. That thing said, thanks guys. Thanks guys. Says bye. 726. And it halted at 726. Yeah. Well, halted up again. 726. AIFF. 647. 647. On halted at $10, please. Did you guys stop, Wes? I wish I didn't get stopped. Halted again. Yeah. What did you guys stop at? This one's actually done a really good job holding the 9 EMA since crossing above the 9 EMA. Luna, right? Since crossing the 9 EMA. The first time it did that, it was beautiful, right? Crossed above the 9, beautiful. Second time, equally as beautiful, right? There's always a dip, there's always a breakout, there's always a retest. uh, right? So again, holding above the 9, beautiful. So let's see what happens when that thing gets unhalted now. On halted, DOMH is still looking okay. It just needs to break out. So that thing would need to break above 870 and then run for the VWAP. Run for the VWAPs. Run. America's first Bitcoin reserve. Did he actually say that? Hmm. 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 No. Let's see. Oh, that's cool. I'm just looking here to see if Trump is actually. So I see the tariff news. So Hong Kong officially recognizes Bitcoin and ETH as part of its investment visa program. Hong Kong. Yeah. Yep. As time goes on, just more adoption. More adoption. INTC. INTC. There goes DOMH, right? Trying to break above that little double top there at 875. Trying. You can do it. You can do it. What's AMD doing? AMD's looking nice. Very nice. Very nice. AMD's what? AMD's trash, isn't it? Very nice. There we go. Sold for 51, not the trillion you wanted, but yeah. That's okay. So again, we have a lot of resistance there, right? For DOMH, but it's trying to break it. Trying. Really trying. Jericho says I joined late on that AMD leap option, but better late than never. Exactly, Jericho. Exactly. I was yeah, I was hoping we would dip more so I could buy some more, but yeah. Do. And again, like I say all the time, right? For people that are interested in like AMD shares and stuff, like just because we buy AMD options doesn't mean you have to buy AMD options, right? You could look at AMD and say, okay, if these guys are buying options, like let me scale into some shares, right? Let me scale into some shares instead. You could always do that, you know? Yeah. Do. Yeah, DOMH would have been good for you though. I think you just needed some patience, AK, with it, right? Because I think as soon as you sold, that your stop loss hit, you weren't like you just stopped looking at it because it already burned you. So you just kind of looked away. You're like, screw this, screw this, AK. That's okay, AK. Don't worry, it will be better again. Don't you worry. There goes AIFF with the on hold, guys. That thing ran all the way to 790. $7.90. 790. Nice pop. Come on. Uh, okay. There we go. There we go. And then there goes the fail basically at the same spot for DOMH, right? And then back down. Back down. As long as AIFF stays above that night EMA, because that's what it seems like it's been holding anyways, it should be okay. Jacob, yeah, 20 cents is still holding for you on Ocean, right? So as long as it stays above that 20 cents, A-okay. A-okay. And then CYN is still just holding that demand at 21 cents as well. So type in yes in the chat if you're holding AMD, like options or shares. Type in yes in the chat if you bought the dip skis on that thing. Just curious. Sopa. Sopa. Open AI. There it goes again. That thing is holding the 9 really well. Does that count? It does, Jeff. It does. Jericho, yes. Yeah, it does count. It's same, right? Same Z's. Same Z's. Nicola. Nicola is still around, guys? That stock is still alive? Popped on the scanner. Interesting. Still alive. I'm staying alive. Staying alive. Okay. Okay. Anyways, moving on from AMD. Moving on. 4-1. 27. Cool. Overnight, Regina? See, that's not a question you should be asking. Again, Regina, not being a member is missing out on a lot of stuff, right? We just did a class last Friday, right? That talked about how to know when to swing a stock, right? And we just talked about that. How to know when to swing. Like, how do you know when, I'm looking at a stock, like, do I hold this overnight? So again, you're missing out, Regina, missing out big time. Missing out. AMD cooking highs of the day. Ooh wee. That thing's like, you know what, guys? It's time. It's time for me to cook. Time for me to cook. Okay, perfect. Dang. AIFF is not stopping, is it? So are you in a position, Regina? You're in a position in AIFF, and you're wondering when to get out? Yeah, exactly, Luna. It's halted up again, guys, at $8.14. Grim, are you still in this one? Oh yeah, you're at $8. $8. Dip skis and breakouts. What an absolute monster. $5.60. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay, let's see. I like it a lot. Uh, do, do, do. Yeah, there we go. Na, 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 na. Copy. Do, do. There we go. AOE. What's up? What's up? I was tagging you. I was like, you should have just formatted into some AMD, you know? Should just format 106, 107. But you never know, though. Maybe it still dips, right? Oh, and also the play you called out was yeah, the play you called out was nice. OMGA, OMGA. Yeah, it's pushing ye. Very nice shout. Very nice shout. 11 cents is when you got in. No, OMGA. There you go. Yeah, that's very nice. Yeah, let's see if we can maintain that theme, you know, and then keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Let's go. You should have sold Rich at 26 cents or OCEA. Yeah, or set a stop loss somewhere, right? Now you're hoping it stays above 20 cents. Yeah. No. You're gonna hold for $10, okay? Okay. Yeah, let's see what happens when it gets unhalted, right? Um, Again, the best thing you can do, you average is 17. Oh, okay, good. Nothing to worry about then. The best thing you can do to manage your position, so Rich and Grunt, you might have an expectation and say, okay, like I'm waiting for $10, but at the same time, you want to make sure that you're managing that position from the bottom, right? It is what like I like to do, right? Because you never know whether it actually gets to $10. It would be nice if it gets to $10. Very nice, obviously. But it's always nice when you control like your like the minimum you get out of it. That's always a good thing. Always a good thing. 17 cents. Yeah, you have a good average. Stonks. Nikola is moving up a little bit. Ooh wee. Uh, there we go. Unhalted? Yeah, unhalted now. No. From $1, you see that 120? Shush! Did you even know that was a thing? Did you know? Did you know that? Yeah, I just saw that. Someone was swinging this entire time. Damn. See, I think we even forgot. Like we forgot about the damn thing. You know. Forget about the stock altogether until like the brand new catalyst, right? Oh my goodness, that's very nice though. That's very nice. Yeah. It does need to go back. Yeah, 125. Yeah. It remains to be seen what tariff policy will be implemented. I don't know the effects. What do you know, Powell? You know how Powell always like says, "I don't know." Lena, well done, Lena. uh, Funny. There it goes. A brand new high on that candle. Yeah, I made brand new highs in that candle. Yeah, good job, Lena. That's very good. CYN is getting hammered. Yeah, there it goes. Oof. Is it you really think we're going to $10? Yeah, hopefully, right? Just make sure you're moving it like you have a stop loss and you're moving it up, right? Manage it from the bottom, and you're going to be happy. Whatever happens, you're going to be very happy. How about OCEA? What's your position in OCEA? From the ocean, Carl? Love it. From the ocean. Two. Mm. Uh, mm. There you go. Doing and okay, sounds good, Jacob. You like playing these stocks that are like, uh, you like playing those stocks. As long as you make monies, I happy. Happy, Jacob. Yeah, so your next supply zone is here at 870 for AIFF. Good morning, Troy. Hello. Hello. Yeah, B had good thing you took some profits on this one, Raven. Good thing you took some gains out of it. I like it. Well, let me get rid of AMD. I don't really want to watch AMD. I only want to watch AMD when it cooks more or when it crashes, so I can celebrate gains or buy more dipskis. That's it. Nothing else. SPY back to green at least. Yeah, SPY is still flat for the day. Not really expecting much from the S&P today. On Nicola? Nicola. Yeah, I'm surprised the stock is still around. Surprised. They're going to do a split at some point, probably. OMG is looking good, though, Yi. Look at that. New highs of the day now. Ooh-wee. SPY is about to rotate down? No. No, I think yeah, it's gonna be like that, up, down, and then CPI tomorrow, and if it's good, then that's when we really start cooking. Yeah, 15 cents. Hopefully some of you guys took that position from Yi there. Hopefully, it's looking good. 15 pennies. Uh, then buy one more share. Which why am I mute? Okay.
We didn't buy more because the last time we got slapped every single time that we bought it.
Yeah. Perfect. Why don't you say A after every sentence? I just noticed you don't. I don't know A. It's like a deep rooted, like Canadian culture thing, which I didn't grow up, with A. You know, Canada. Yeah, that's better. Better A. Okay, good. Yeah, not everybody says that here. I think it's more of a, like when you grow up in a specific area, that's something that you guys, you say all the time. Yeah, it's not very common. It's not very common. Exactly, Grim. Yeah, exactly. I'm sure the stuff that I say because I grew up somewhere else, like rubbish, right? Um, um, I'm sure there's a whole bunch of stuff that I say that I don't even realize that I say. DOMH still looking okay. AK, did you get back into this one yet? Are you back in this one? And then that supply zone is become resistant. AIFF is halted down. So Grant, did you take profits on this or no? I think you guys would be better, at telling me what I. uh, people here say mate a lot. Yeah, exactly. Mate. Did you get into OMGA? Anybody get into OMGA with Yi? 45%. That's a pretty good shout. And also that thing is cooking there. Not too long ago it was posted, right? So cooking. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. There you go. Ah, oh my god. Yep. That's exactly what it is, Grim. I take a few minutes to pay off your membership in algo fees. You receive lots of on stock in stock to trade before the market opens, and the algo is the icing. I was reinventing the wheel before Discord and the algo. Jacob, love it. It's beautiful, right? Again, like we make it so simple, Like Jacob became a member last week, and Jacob already loves it, right? A week, 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks, right? Jacob loves it. So if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbox. Come join us in Discord. You're missing out big time. Click the link at the bottom. Come join us in Discord, right? We've talked about like ideas on ideas on ideas today, right? Ideas on ideas on ideas today. And stop missing it, Like ideas. Let me pull up some screenshots, right? And pull up some screenshots of ideas. Again, Yi posted this like what 30 minutes ago, right? Actually, maybe like an hour ago, maybe yeah, a bit ago, right? right? At 11 cents, right? Below 12 cents, right? It was posted right in there. What is it at now? Look at it go, 17 cents. Look at it cook. Look at it cook. It's cooking. It's cooking, guys. It's cooking. Oh, look at that, 18 cents, guys. On fire, right? On fire. Look at it go, 69%. What are you doing with your life? What are you doing? It's fire. It's one of those things though, you give people the idea, some work, some don't work, right? We you know, look at that, 19 cents. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it go, right? So again, congratulations. That's one of very many plays we've called today, right? One of very many. So if you're not a member yet, I don't know what to tell you. You are very useless. But I'm kidding. I'm kidding, by the way. There we go. Make your monies and move on, right? Make your monies and move on. AK, you did? Let's go. Finally. Is it a better day now, AK? Better? Are you smiling? You better be smiling. You better be smiling. Let's see. Why is... Okay. Make your monies and move on, right? Make your monies and move on. Oh, that took a while, actually, for the file to... AK, thank you, Yi. I just covered all my losses from today. Let's go. High five, high five, high five. Well done. High five. Well done. Shout out to Yi. Right? Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Well done. Love it. Let's go. Monies, monies. We have a new member, guys. Have a new member, James. Let's see. Perfect. 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 Okay, perfect. Welcome to the community, James. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Your invite link should be in the community section on YouTube, and if you can't find it, just let me know, and I'll send you a link in the chat already. I wonder if again, Rosalia hasn't clicked on the link yet at all, right? Rosalia, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Just follow the steps in the video, please, right? I posted the link in the chat, and you didn't even click on the link. Click on it. Anyways, there goes OMGA again. There goes 19 cents. Look at that. 1920, 1970. 20 cents is coming. Look at it go, guys. Look at it go. Look at it go. That thing is wild, right? Fits the theme and has the vibes. Here comes 20 cents. Because you sold? Yeah. 20 cents should be a pretty solid resistance though, even though this thing's been moving like an absolute monster. This thing moves better than the other penny stocks we've played with, right? Like it just skips, like it just goes. Just goes. Just goes. Just goes. Ooh, look at it go, guys. Look at it go. My goodness. Look at it go. Okay, let's see permissions. Oh, perfect. Do. Again, make sure you are paying yourself on the way up, please. Pay yourself on the way up. Pay yourself on the way up, please. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good, Virus. No. Monies. Really good scalp. Sounds good, Jacob. Sounds good. Sounds good. What's AIFF doing? It's yeah, it looks like it's curling again, doesn't it? Yeah. Curling. And then it looks like yeah, we went to that same resistance again for DOMH and then failed again. So yep. But it's still holding the 200 EMA. So hopefully it stays above that. Monies. James, let me know if you're good to go with or let me know if you need the link. Let me know if you need the link skis. Don't believe Elon Musk or team has tried to access Fed systems. Okay. Fed systems. There you go. CYN with a bit of a pop, Jacob. There you go. Yeah, you might get a nice little scalp there. I will come back to this one. CYN. New funded account today up for 420 Nice, Troy. See, in at 17, it's at 19 now. Yep. So that 20 cents is your next little obstacle there, isn't it, Jacob? Next obstacle. Okay. Perfect. There you go. Blow those accounts, Troy. Blow the evals, not the PAs, please. Yeah, so there goes 20 cents, Jacob, right? So your strategy worked, right? In a demand zone at 17 cents, right? In a demand zone, right? So you're loving the algo with those demand zones, right, Jacob? Well done. Yeah, that 20 cents, yeah, it's pushing for it and breaking above it. Wow, that thing is just going. That's a good scalp for you. Very good scalpy. Let's see. I'm gonna leave this one on the left hand side. Let me take a look at the other one. Oh damn! Look at AMD go, guys. Oof. AMD's at 113 now. Ooh wee. Yeah, I was about to pull up that one too. Let's see. Permissions. Perfect. Damn. From there's money's everywhere, ye. Money's everywhere. From penny swings, the day trading scalpies in HT signal, HT swing, option swings. Money's everywhere. Everywhere. AE. HL. Money's everywhere, guys. Another penny stock. And this one definitely has that unusual volume vibe. What is that? 15 cents? Right above 15? 15 cents resistance? Yeah. Okay. So needs Z breakouts. Z breakouts. Sounds good. Let's see. OMGA is still looking good. Yeah. Chasing and using last week. Crazy volatility. I was not sticking to your plan. Yeah, exactly. No, seriously, Troy. Troy, it doesn't matter where you trade. The market punishes you as soon as you deviate from that plan. They're like, oh, so Troy, you think you're the captain now, huh? Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. No, 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 no. Do, 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 do. Yeah, closer to 12 cents for sure. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Either on a breakout with vibes or on a retest. Agreed. Agreed. Do, 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 do. Monies, Monies, Shima, Monies. Uh, a bill to authorize Trump to purchase Greenland and rename it Red, White, and Blue Land has been introduced. That seems a bit silly, doesn't it? OMGA does look really good though. That thing is not stopping. That thing is not stopping. It's like, no, guys. Nope, absolutely not. We keep going. There goes 105%. That thing said, not today, not today. Uh, Money's everywhere. Yeah, that's what it. Like honestly, it seems silly, doesn't it? Right? So they're gonna call it. Is it even for sale? Like I don't know if it's a thing that's even for sale. Like is that a thing? I don't know. We all know Canada is not for sale, right? But maybe Greenland is for sale. Who knows? Canada is not for sale, but maybe Greenland is. OMGA on fire. That thing said, nope, not stopping. Yeah, I think whatever Grim mentioned, the other details, the people are really happy with that, right? So it has more vibes. The shorts are now panicking, right? The shorts are now panicking. The shorts are like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what happened? What happened? Oh my god. Oh, the dev stock is on fire. Sheesh. Oh. Shorts and that. They have been entered. Ayo, Kimbella. Ayo, ayo. Ah. From 10.50 to 20 to 26 cents, the shorts have been entered. Where? Right behind, entered. Ask Grim to give you the details. I don't have the details. Mm, true. Entered. Can you break 26 cents now? 26 cents. Let's see. Doo-doo. Okay, perfect. Uh, do. There we go. With Norway since 1262. Okay. Yeah. It just seems, some of the stuff just seems silly. Trump just needs to relax, He just needs to relax and do some more important things. Like, what are you guys gonna do with the Greenland? What are you gonna do with it? Okay. Sounds good. Minimum. 1 day. One safe. Perfect. Okay, there we go. So again, hopefully you took some buddies on this, guys. Hopefully. Paid yourself on the way up. Let's see, who do I have for one-on-ones today, actually? Let's see. Meetings. Kimbella. Oh, Kimbella's birthday. It is Kimbella's birthday. Let's go, Kimbella. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Winter's moving. Happy birthday, dear criminal Kimbella. Keep cooking, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kimbella. Yeah. Clip of Trump being told to really, Troy? Oh wow. Okay. Let's go. Cancels. There you go. SPY. Okay. Right on the UN meeting floor. That's crazy. That's wild. Wild. Why are the markets, being mean today? Come on, SPY. Pump already. Go up. Go up. What time is it? Okay. 5 to 10 more minutes, guys, and then I have to hop off and go do some one-on-ones. Crazy, crazy. See anything else looking good here, Grim? DOMH is still doing a good job of holding the 200, isn't it? Wow. Yeah. Again, this stock isn't gonna die. Whether it goes to $5 or it stays here, right? This is probably going to be something that like we keep looking at, especially if the stock that IPOs and it cooks, well, or if something happens with SpaceX, right? Blah 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 blah. And so at least we know that this IPO isn't, or this isn't garbage, I guess, right? You are, Grim? Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, I was looking at that one yesterday as the next, penny stock swing theme, ADTX. All right, that one definitely looks okay. It tried popping a few times to 12 cents. I think even last night, right? Yesterday it popped to 11.50, but yeah, between 10 cents and that 9 cents, yeah, 10 and 9, good spot to add for ADTX. ADTX. Can you imagine what the market does? Trump says the war must end and will end. Trump says he's sending a Secretary of the Treasury Scott to Ukraine to meet with Zelensky. Yeah, I think the market would have a nice pop, if the war actually ended. No, 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 no. Okay, sounds good. Mm. My apologies, guys. Sometimes you send me DMs, but like I'm in the middle of something else. Pablo, be quiet. This message is not for you. Sometimes when you send me messages, like if I'm doing something, I just end up forgetting and then I never respond. Sometimes like when you need me to do something, like look up a chart, I'm like, okay, I'll do this in 2 minutes because I'm busy doing this now. And then I respond in 2 days. Sorry. Ayo, Joe. Joe is here. Now Spike and Pump. Good morning, Joe. Now the markets can cook. We're not stretching all morning. Yeah. Yep. It's gonna be like that, Joe. Maybe until tomorrow. So again, really good day in the markets, guys. Right? From DOMH, right, below $5 to $4 yesterday, right, as a swing plays scalpy, right. We definitely didn't miss that, right. To scalping TGL this morning, right, very nice. To OMGA cooking, right, really good day. So most of you guys should be green, and if you're not, maybe tomorrow, right, or maybe later. Vine with a bit of a pop. Let me translate. Ah. This is always doing something, so he'll respond within 3 months. It's not true, guys. Don't listen to Pablo. I always respond to DMs like very quickly, except I'm doing something else. You know? What's the other one doing? AEHL. Yeah, still just consolidating there. So yeah, it needs to give the breakout. Z breakout AEHL. AEHL. I bet you some of these names are not quite done yet. Did you take your profits, by the way, Jacob, on CYN? I hope you did, right? I hope you did. I hope you did. So again, typical rally, and then a fail at like on around a retest, right? So again, this level was the level that it bounced at earlier. So this same thing applies on the way down as it does on the way up, right? When you break below support, guess what? When it goes back up there, it's using that same level as resistance. Alrighty, let's go, Joe. 3 years. I know, Joe. What more do you want? I'm kidding. Yes, that's how it's supposed to be, Joe. It's how it's supposed to be. Tell your wife she needs to, she needs to use less of the monies. I compete with your wife. Uh, the best time to DM this is at 3 a.m. on a Saturday night. Yes, yes, it is. That's fantasy deadline, Pablo. Fantasy deadline. Yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. What's that pop there? Add this one to your watch list, as a sympathy, maybe. Now, this one just had a random pop there, but it's also a penny stock. Bit more expensive though. Anyways, MYNA. Anyways, Grim. Yes, yeah, that thing just randomly popped, and it's a penny stock, so maybe something to add on the watch list. Maybe. I don't even know what. Oh yeah, the daily is coming from the abyss as well. Sheesh, some of these stocks are. There's always a stock dying somewhere. MYNA. I mean, as long as it stays above that low from yesterday, 2360, 2360. Grim, this one's on your watch list. 10H. 10H. China. Sheesh. Oh, they have a split coming up, so this one's a no-go. Maybe like a one-day scalp type of thing. Yeah, they have a split coming up in 2 days. Yeah, you really like it? Yeah, no, this one has a split coming up. So this would be more of this one would be more of a play after the splits, just in case they want to screw you. Yeah, just like NIVF, right? That one had a split coming up, and it ended up popping like in one day, but it's still a turn off just because. As soon as they announce that split, the stock starts getting slapped. Yeah. Yeah, so according to TradingView, it says Tuesday, so Thursday the 13th. So yeah, this Thursday. So maybe the shorts cover today, tomorrow. Yeah, but maybe. Uh, Grim, this one's on your watch list. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, yeah. Let's see if we can stay above 25 cents, especially today. Stay above 25 cents. That's a really good thing. Or just break above 30 cents, and then the volume kicks in. That'd be very good. Very, very good. So there are a lot of sympathy plays. Lots and lots of sympathy plays. Do, 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 do. Perfect. Yesterday, MYNA, Kimbella. Oh, okay. Kimbella. I like it. Maybe that's where that came from. Maybe. Okay. Any last questions, guys, before we hop off? Anything else? Anything else you guys are interested in? And then we can hop off and go back to Discord. James, again, you became a member, but I don't think you clicked on the link already. So send me an email if you have any questions, Hot Trades X, or the link to join us in Discord is under the community section on YouTube. And then we're going to be in Discord. Have a wonderful rest of the day, everybody. Raven, take care as well. See you in Discords. Good job cooking. Grim, slacker. Go get more snacks, please. There's hours left More snacks. You why? Shima? Why? Why what happened? What are you buying? What are you buying? What are you buying? Oh. Yeah, Shima sent me this meme on Instagram. The drugs. Let's go, Eric. That was funny. At first, I thought she was, I thought she was crazy, but then she was being serious. But Eric, welcome to the community. Let me send you an invite, okay? So this is your invite link. So click on that invite link, Eric, and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Already, please and thank you. So click the link. Follow the steps in that channel. The second last video shows you what to do, and then the last video in the Getting Started channel shows you like all the channels basically. But make sure you take some time, Eric. Go through all the channels in Discord, pretty please. Right, take your time and go through all the channels. Alrighty. So again, follow the steps in the Getting Started channel with the right email, the same Gmail email you're using on YouTube, and it's gonna connect you, and then you're good to go. Then make sure you go through all the channels, please. She's back in the US now. That's crazy. Pakistan. Yeah, so that's your invite. Welcome, welcome, Eric. Eric says, I'm in. I'm in. Eric has a last name, by the way. So, Eric, parlez-vous français? Oui, oui. Oui, oui. Yeah, I can see that you clicked the link already. See, Eric is, Eric is following the steps right away. Eric is going to be good to go. Rosalia, I don't know what you're doing. Yeah. Yeah. uh, in the Pablo, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, Wint is actually looking okay, isn't it? WINT, Wint. Montreal? Oh, okay. Canada. Canadian. I like it. Montreal. Wint. Was that 19 cents at the top? Supply zone, 19 cents. More Canadians. More Canadians. Looks like AIFF is popping again. Yeah, it is. It actually made brand new highs of today. Who was asking for that $10? It looks like you're gonna get your $10. That's if you didn't sell already. AIFF. Craziness. Holo just got an alert, oversold RSI. AIFF is halted up at $1.20. At $1.20. uh, $10. You're in at 8.32. Very nice. Yeah, hopefully just on halt at $10 and then you can sell it. Oh yeah, it's halted up. Money's Chris. Money's Chris has been waiting for that thing to go. By 17. We can see. 998. Okay, sounds good, Gordon. Sounds good. Sounds good. Gron, when are you going to join us in Discord? When? When? Don't make me come find you. Okay? I'll ask YouTube to track your IP address, and then we'll find you and send you to Pakistan. Send you to Pakistan. So far, is looking okay as well, actually. Looking okay. Did they actually slap Palantir? Yeah, Palantir is down 4% today. Again, honestly, like that thing did too much, right? That's why we like it's done too much. Palantir. Damn, they're kind of slapping the whole market, guys. What's Powell saying? Like, what's Trump saying? What's everybody saying? They're slapping everything. Shish. Slapping everything. My goodness. Do... No, 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 no. That's okay. That's okay, Grun. That is okay. Story, welcome. You signed up for the wrong level though, so you have to go back to the same link and upgrade already. So if you want to join Discord, you have it's only the legend level or the gold level. Those are the only two levels available. So just go back to the same link and just upgrade, and you're going to be good to go. Sounds good. Sounds good. So don't sign up for the level that says sold out, please. What stock is that, Nas? What stock is that? That's okay, Grunt. That is a-okay. So yeah, Eric, all you have to do now is just connect. So click on settings, connections, sign into YouTube, and then you should be good to go. Alrighty, so that last video again should, the second last video or the screenshots higher should tell you what to do. HEPA. Let me take a look. What's HEPA doing? Yeah, HEPA's look really nice from 16 cents. Are you still in HEPA, Grim? HEPA's look really good from 16 cents. Right? You do have a double top coming up though at 1850, right? So it needs to break above 1850. But HEPA. So 1850 needs to be broken there. Alrighty. Yeah, it's because Trump is yapping again. Like what's again? Like every time the market's doing okay, Trump starts yapping and yapping and yapping. What's he saying now, guys? Like unbelievable. Trump orders to restore health agency websites that were abruptly taken offline. Like all these dudes just yap too much. Trump says the war. Okay, we read that already. All of them, they just yap too much. Stop yapping. You're holding some Grim, yeah. So it just has a double top at 1850 for now. So that needs to be broken. AIFF guys is going for $10. So you're 20 cents away. Oh, less than that now. Less than that now. Goodness. So 990. You were 9 cents away, Grunt, from hitting that Absolutely, Shima. Our goal is to educate, and then along the way we provide ideas, right? Along the way we give you ideas, but our job is to more so make sure that you can look at any stock and know what to do. And then your order should have filled, Grunt, right? So that thing hit $10 exactly. So your order should have been filled. Now you want 15, Kimbella, just because it's your birthday? Unbelievable. 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 There goes a break above $10. Sheesh. Yeah, come join us in Discord. Because some days it's just gonna be Grim and I hanging out and talking about rubbish. Not on YouTube. Ready? It's halted at 1070 now, by the way. Halted up again. 200 245%, guys, for AIFF. My goodness. My goodness, guys. While making money is exactly, Grim. Exactly. Exactly. 75. You're out for the day. Congratulations. That's a very good scalp. Very good scalp. And it's only going to keep going higher now, isn't it? I'm kidding. Probably. Probably. Very nice. Tesla's sell-off is happening, but then again, everything is selling off though. So let me take a look at Tesla. So HEPA was a perfect double top, anyways, right? And then Tesla. Sheesh. I told you guys the story of the Uber driver that bought Tesla at 420, right? My goodness, nasty, 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 nasty. Clear downtrend though, right? If you look at the 4-hour time frame, you're gonna see the clear downtrend, right? Yup. But again, this is why they keep saying, like 90% of traders lose money, right? Is because people just don't know better, right? Most people that play with these stocks are just, like again, like I said, an Uber driver that takes $10,000 and just throws it into Tesla because he's like, oh, but like Elon is working with Trump now, so Tesla's only gonna go up, right? Well, Tesla has been cooking already based on that. And then it gets to 420 and they're like, oh my God, it's going to keep going. And then FOMO, and then boom skis. Tesla slapped to 330, right? Slap. Many of them probably on Shiva. I like it. Hi, Susan. I like it. I like it. I like it. Right? So, yeah. Sometimes, again, like the basics, Shima, the basics can really go a long way, right? Like just simply looking at the chart, you're like, maybe buying Tesla at 420 is not the best thing to be doing, right? And can because that dude bought right on a downtrend, like right on a downtrend, right? Like right on it, right? Right on a downtrend. So when you see that something's failed there and it's failed there and it's failed and it's failed there, and then he bought it around this price. He bought it right there at 420, right? So and then Tesla got slapped, right? So sometimes like just simple stuff can really make a difference in your trading, you know? So again, if they can join us in Discords, Shima, and watch, technical analysis class, maybe that'll help. Maybe that'll help. Damn, everything is really getting slapped now. Sheesh. Yeah, it's gonna be like this till like after tomorrow, till tomorrow. Grim, much love. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you later. Yeah, we're gonna hop off any minute now too. Alrighty. No more snacks. Go to bed. And then wake up with more violence, please. OMGA. Yeah, it's really trying to curl off the bottom there. Trying to curl. Well done, Russell. Well done. Yeah, no, you might be delayed, studio. It's been halted for a few minutes now. Halted. Let's give it one more on halt, guys, and then we can hop off already. One more on halt for AIFF, and then go from there. One more on halt. The 17th. Okay. There goes the on halt. $11. 13K. Now let's see where this kind of ends up going to. Welcome, Kimbella. Welcome. Welcomes. There goes 1140. Come on now. Maybe you might get that $15, Kimbella. My goodness. What an absolute monster. Sheesh. Sheesh. But you have a nice entry. See, either way, you're going to be green on this position, so you're fine. Whether down or up, you're going to be okay. His head really fits in the box. It's not true. Don't listen to Dan, Kimbella. Okay, AIFF is halted again, guys. Halted at $10, right? So we're gonna leave it here and then continue in Discord. Alrighty, guys. Much love, everybody. Again, Kimbella, happy birthday. Have some cake and do the thrust. Dan, there's no hope. Go have some pancakes. Unbelievable. Much love, everybody. Again, catch you guys in Discord. Bye, guys. Bye, bye. Bye, 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 bye.